Hey, welcome to chemistry tutorials, and today we'll be learning oxidation number. So oxidation number is the actual or apparent charge posed by an atom of an element in a compound. Well, I'm just reading that out. The meaning is that let's take a compound and split the compound into its constituents without actually breaking the bond. So the charge possessed by each of the atoms of the compound is the oxidation state of that compound. Let's take an example. Aluminum chloride, AlCl3. Okay, the answer is pretty much already there. Plus 3 and minus 1 into 3 minus 3. This is a little confusing. Let me just get down to the basics. So AlCl3, Al metal, Cl non-metal. It's a halogen too. So obviously it forms an ionic bond where the metal donates the electrons to the non-metal, and aluminum has three valence electrons, which it donates everything to one Cl each. So there are three Cls, each asking one electron from aluminum. Okay, so Cl3 is formed, and each Cl has -1 charge. Al, on the other hand, has 3. That's because Al has donated 3, but each Cl has taken only -1. So -1 into 3 will be -3. Okay, we have defined oxidation number as the actual or apparent charge present in an atom of a compound. So the atom here is Al, and Al has donated 3 electrons, making it 3 times more positive than it was before. So it gains the oxidation state of +3, which is this, and this is -1, right? Okay, for time being, let's just think that we didn't know that what Cl's oxidation number was. Okay, so we'll replace this -1 with X. Okay, how do we get to know the value of X? When in a compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all the atoms always has to be 0, unless it is unstable or it has some other charge. If it is like perfectly stable, like this compound you're looking at right now, it has to be 0. So plus 3 plus X is equal to 0. We take plus 3 to the RHS and make it -3. So X is -3. So Cl is -3 for 3Cl. So Cl is -3 for 3Cl. When you divide -3 by 3, you get -1. So for each Cl, the oxidation state is -1. Let's take another example. Sulfuric acid. The answer is already being given here, as you can see, but anyway, I'll explain. Okay, let's just keep sulfur as X. There are certain rules you have to follow when you're supposed to calculate the oxidation number. The rules will be told to you by me in the next video, next week. Till then, I'll just reveal two rules. In any compound, H or hydrogen is always +1, and oxygen is always -2. Every time, every single time. Doesn't matter what the compound is, it has to be +1. Oxygen has to be -2. Okay, so knowing this, we can find out sulfur's oxidation state, which is 6, or X as we've taken it. Okay, so hydrogen is +1. +1 times 2 is +2, and oxygen -2. -2 times 4 is -8. -8 plus 2 is equal to -8 plus 2 plus X is equal to 0. Okay, so -2 plus 2, sorry, -8 plus X is equal to 0. Okay, so -2 plus X plus 2 minus 8 should be giving you -6, and -6 on the RHS will be +6. So sulfur is +6. Thanks for watching. Leave a like below and stay tuned for the rules.